Hey guys, welcome back to Luke Vintage RC. So if you're new to your channel, welcome. This is a dedicated RC car channel to restoring vintage RC cars. We also like to do custom builds around the holiday season and some new builds as long as it has a vintage tie-in. So what we have here is something quite special. This is a 1999 Tamiya Wild Willy 2. These are amazing and fun RC cars. If you're a big fan of the Tamiya lunchbox or one of those kind of guys, you're gonna love these and how they drive. I mean, Willys on demand. Just a super fun just go into a parking lot, have a lot of fun. That's what these guys are all about, even in the backyard. So initially I was going to do a Maru Samurai, and we were pretty much halfway through with that one. So I figured I didn't worry too much. And it had some gear halves that need to be fixed. So I have some of those coming, but unfortunately those got stopped in customs. So that put a delay on that build, unfortunately. They're on the way, but it's gonna be after the holiday. So I was like, I have a little bit of time left to do something, but not a whole lot. What can I do? But also to kind of give everybody the spirits of keep soldiering on and keep powering through and chase your dreams. And well, what better way to soldier on than to work on a military themed RC? When I got this one here, it needed tires and a motor. They did not come inside this box. I got this from, I don't know, about 2-3 years ago or so at a yard sale. And so I totally forgot about it. I was like, I need to build this thing. Let's go ahead and do it. So I had about 2 days to do the build up and the painting. So there's still a little bit of left paint to do on this one, but I think it's okay for now. We didn't have all the stickers either, so I had to make some of those on the computer and off some sticky paper, and I think it turned out okay, not too shabby. Yeah. If you're a fan of these, you're probably going to be a fan of these. So we'll definitely be building this one up too. There's no way to really know when these things are coming up on my channel unless you subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you know when something special is popping up. I kind of think they're all special no matter what. But this one is definitely going to be a lot of fun to do. Yeah, that's the original bad boy right there. This is the LWB. There is another one. I will also have that one come to the channel. And I'll put those two side by side together. A friend of mine has the short wheelbase. So we'll compare the two and we'll restore both of them. So that's going to be a lot of fun to see that one on the channel. But in the meantime, we do have some coming right away. We do have the world's fastest Tonka RC car. That's going to be a trip. We do have the Team Losi XX Racing Buggy, Team Associated TC3, Resto Dolphin. That's quite rare buggy. An original Tamiya Monster Beetle. And of course, what was given to me by my wife. Also, I do have the motor that goes with this one, or will go with this one, that's also a JJ motor. And we're going to be doing the 1987 replica that was just released by Kyosho to celebrate the 60th anniversary. Quite a fun buggy. I've seen a few of those on YouTube, and everybody had a blast building that. So I know we're going to have fun doing that one. So this one just turned out really cool. We take it all apart in this video. We get ball bearings in this one. It's got a torque tube motor. We paint it all up. We put some new tires on it from a Tamiya lunchbox that I built into a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle party van. So it gets all the goods needed in order to complete itself. And I think it turned out really cool. Yeah, nothing too crazy. You know, homemade stickers actually turned out all right. Not too shabby. Running a 1060 ESC and a little 2.4 gigahertz radio to power that 23 turn or torque tube motor. So with all that being said, I hope everybody had a beautiful Christmas or holiday and a new year to come. 2024 is going to be a spectacular year for everybody, I promise you. And yeah, Happy New Year to all you guys. With that being said, let's dive into what it took to make the 1989 Tamiya Wild Willy 2 look like this and go for a run in the same video. So let's go start right now. Alrighty guys, we got something quite fun and special here. This is a 1999 Tamiya Wild Willy. These are really cool little Jeeps. Just kind of like an oversized version of their original M38. But these are pretty robust. When I purchased this one about 3 years ago, I got it from a gentleman that is actually in my neighborhood. They had a yard sale, and I got a few things from him, fishing poles, that kind of stuff. And then I saw this on the other table, and I was like, you know what? What's the story on that? And he told me, he said, this is my son's. He's a teacher now, and he doesn't use any of this stuff. So I got a controller, a couple little things like that, and then this here. Now, the thing with this one here is the father said, I believe it's missing some pieces. And so I looked inside the box, and yes, indeed, it is missing some crucial pieces. But I do have those pieces on hand. And thankfully, from a recent build, I have the correct pieces for it. The cool thing about this one is the tires. They are essentially lunchbox tires. And if you are familiar with my channel and you've been watching and keeping up with a lot of the videos I've been doing recently, I did a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle van from a Tamiya lunchbox, and I bought aftermarket tires. Well, with that, I do have spare tires for it, right over here. So, we are good on that. And then it needs a motor. The motor's not in it. And then some bearings. I don't know what else is in here that's missing. I really haven't had time to go in this box, essentially, and look at everything. I just figured eventually when I get time to get to it, I'll get the parts. So it's just been crazy around here at my house. I just got back from a little trip with the family because of the holiday Christmas vacation, stuff like that. And then I finally said, well, you know what? I got a small window where I could do another project real quick before 2024 comes. Basically 2 days to do the build and the video of this thing, the editing. So I have enough time to squeeze one more video in before 2024. And I said, you know what, let me check this one out. Open it up, and I think I got everything I need. So I got all my little parts ready to kind of attack this guy and to put it in the collection. Let me show you what's in it. So I'm just gonna pull this box. Apologize if it's gonna be loud. I don't want to tear the box up too bad because actually it's in decent shape. There we go. Yes. All right, here we go. This is what we get. Body, chassis, looks like it's missing some bushings, but we're gonna put bearings in it. Rims, another rim, the rear tire. Then we have to make a recopy of that Wild Willy. So it looks like they were in the midst of getting it built again or taken apart or something. Something was going on. Bumper, spare parts, screws, grill, body clip. I don't know what that is. That. And another wheel. And another part. And a bushing and a little body clip there. Nothing else in there. Let's check inside here real quick. We got nothing else in there. Nope. All right, so we got lots of little goodies. I think we got enough parts here to kind of get us rocking and rolling. So we're gonna go through everything, clean everything off, and then get some paint on parts, and then put this thing together. All right, so now I got the halves put together again with ball bearings in it. We're gonna X-nay the 18 tooth and go for the 20 inside here, get a little bit more speed. Alrighty guys, now for the run review. It's off. Man, what a ball of fun. So I did test it out on GPS speed earlier. I didn't record it because I wasn't thinking, and now my GPS speed meter is dead. That's it. So not a speed demon, but plenty fast enough for a fun time. Trying not to do too many wheelies. I don't want to put this thing on its lid. But I'll do a couple more wheelies. Just super fun. What a great little Jeep. Super excited to have the vintage ones as well. And they're going to be a blast for this summer. Get over the branch. Got this, buddy. Yeah, it did it. Oh, what a great shot. Right here. Nice. What a good old car. All right, my friends, that's going to be a wrap on this bad boy. Truly appreciate you guys coming along with me for this ride. And thank you to all my subscribers that have been with me and helped me get to my goal. Also, thank you to the new subscribers that are coming along for the ride for the new year. I want to say thank you again. And have a beautiful New Year's Eve. And have a happy and fulfilling 2024 up ahead. Just looks so cool. Alrighty guys, we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Alright, now at top speed. We're at 0. Let's see what she does. Looks like we're at 15 miles an hour. Not too shabby. Alrighty, guys, there you have it.